Hi everyone, David Ward, Sunday, February 20th, 2022, 5:55 a.m. Central Time in the U.S. Hope everyone's doing okay today. I'm doing fine. Just been super busy here around the house, among other things. So I'm finally back here for a little while. But anyway, wanted to provide an update for Bitcoin US dollar. It looks like pretty good chance that we're coming back down towards this Aqua Diagonal Trend Line. Looks like a pretty decent chance for that. That would be in 35Ks, in the 35Ks. Near-term group, green RSI, is still extending down towards level 10, Aqua lower, currently at 35,851 in the 2-day. See, we already hit the Aqua lower with the green RSI, level 10, Aqua lower in the 24-hour. We're overextending down towards the orange lower B band currently in the 12-hour. Is it wanting to turn up yet? That remains to be seen. Let's look at the short-term group real quick. Yeah, this could extend down to the orange lower B band in the 6-hour time frame at 36,500. Yeah, I'd say 36,500 for the short to near term, and that's getting us down towards that Aqua lower. And again, the Aqua lower, it's right around 35K, upper 34Ks to lower 35Ks. So whenever I say Aqua lower, that's proximity to that Aqua lower. Could be just a smidget above or a smidget below. $35,852 in the 2-day. 12 hours remaining for the next 3-day candle. The red RSI appears it will be going below level 50 the next 3-day candle. The question is, will the green be going up or down the next 3-day candle? At the moment, it looks like it's going to be going down. Yeah. In the 6-day, 3.5 days, Aqua lower, 33,906. We'll have to see what happens this next weekly candle that begins in 12 hours. See if this green RSI comes down, the energy begins coming down. Remember, if we want to have upward pressure continue, in other words, we had upward momentum right here. Yeah, when the momentum, that's what the energy, white energy represents, momentum. Yes, we had upward momentum there for a while, but in order for that upward momentum to continue with the price action, that red RSI has to get above level 50, just as we did here. Even though the white energy, the upward momentum was falling, the price action still kept rising a bit until the white energy got to level 50. Then we had downward momentum. But since the red RSI remained above level 50 and the blue LSMA was on the verge of going above level 50, we got expansion up. When the red RSI and blue SMA both got above level 50 and the green RSI went above level 50, we got more expansion up. And white energy going up, we had more momentum up. Lost support of the red RSI. Well, lost support of the basis when the red RSI went below level 50. Technically, when it went below level 40, we had a pretty good drop there. Same thing here. In 6-day, red RSI went below level 50. We lost support of the basis. We need that red RSI and blue SMA to get above level 50 to see in the 6-day to have any chance of reversal. The way the blue LSMA looks like it wants to go down further in the 5-day and potentially in the 4-day, we may be on the verge of expansion down in the 4-day. Like right here. The B bands opened up again. We had a little bit more expansion down again. It's going to be interesting to see what this green RSI does here in the 4-day, if it extends on down to the orange like we did here, and we overextended to the purple lower, but closed around the orange lower where the green RSI was. Okay, we're trying to get upward pressure at the moment. Will the red RSI get above level 80 to promote more contraction, to get contraction up in the 4-hour? That remains to be seen. That blue LSMA is super low. It's much easier to get expansion down than contraction up at the moment in the 4-hour. Yeah, we may come on down to the orange lower B band in the 6-hour, as I mentioned earlier. The orange lower B band is currently at 36,100. But we could come down to the upper 34Ks to lower 35Ks in the 6-hour time frame. The 6-hour candle on 21 February at 6 a.m. There it is. And that would require this green to turn on down more in the 8-hour. All right, look back at the 12-hour again. Yeah, that would require the green to turn down. 37,000 for the orange lower. 35,500 for the orange lower in the 24-hour. We could see expansion down in the 24-hour begin within the next couple of days, within sometime between this candle and by the end of the next daily candle. The blue LSMA is going to get lower. We'll see if the green's going up or is continuing down when this blue LSMA gets below level 60 in the 24-hour. we already see it's trying to expand. The B bands are trying to open up to get expansion down, trying to. But currently we're overextended down just a little bit in the 24-hour. So that green could come up one time and find resistance at the red RSI before then coming down. So 4 days, 1 day, 12 hours, 4 days, 12 hours. $35,830. 3 days, 12 hours. So now it's starting to look like sometime next week, potentially upper 34Ks to lower 35Ks sometime during next week. We'll see if this green RSI continues down. In the meantime, of course, we want to watch to see if the red RSI and blue LSMA begin to get above level 50 in this 30-minute. Then will they do so in the 1 hour, the 90-minute, and then the 2 hour. Right now, the way they're acting, I'm just not seeing a significant move up right now. Just not seeing it. $35,850. 35,8. We have to be super careful when looking at this 2-day and 3-day time frame right now, because we're easily seeing 35,8, 35,800. Within about the next 3.5 days. Within the next 3.5 days. Around 35,8. But it may still take a little time to go even lower to the orange, lower B band potentially. That's at 33,000 in the 2-day and 32,100 in the 3-day. First things first bridge is that Aqua lower B band. That Aqua lower B band is 35,850 in the 2-day, 35,840 in the 3-day. So I'm just going to say 35,850, 35,850. $35,850 within 3.5 days is what it's looking like. 35,850. That's right here, right at the upper boundary of our support range, right near this Aqua Diagonal Trend Line. $35,850. And let's increase the font size on that. Let's change the color of that. in the next 3.5 days. In the next 3.5 days. There's 27 February, 20th February. Let's say 35,744. Let's just leave it like that. 35,744. Let's just leave it like that. Aqua lower B band in the 2-day and 3-day. Aqua lower B band in the 2-day and 3-day. Can go lower to the orange lower B band at 33K. So just keep that in mind. Will they take it down that quick, that fast? I'd be surprised, but yeah, it's possible. If they go down that quick like that, it's possible we may ultimately end up going into the 20Ks if they end up doing that. But we'll see. Don't take that as a flat statement. I'm going to go and call this quits. No point dragging this one out 20 minutes as well. If you don't mind, take a moment and click like. If you're not following, feel free to do so. Certainly would appreciate your support. Want to wish everyone happy trading, and followers, you know the drill. Let's stay awesome.